Hey guys, Dr. Eric Smith at Optimal Health Chiropractic. So Morgan and I want to help you out with some exercises that you can do now that you're stuck at home, sitting at work, or maybe even you just have a lifestyle where you're working from home. So a lot of times people will get the tension up in their upper body and neck. So we want to go through all the stretches we do to help you go from this position into more of this position where your shoulders are back in a good posture. So having a good posture during your workday is really going to help you out, because if you think about it, you typically do three things throughout your life, one of which is sleep. The other is work, so if you're at work and using your computer or even your smartphone. And then also the other things that we do, which a lot of times, again, we're using our smartphone. So we really want to avoid a lot of this posture that we're in this stuck position like that. So a lot of times people come into our practice or have questions here on YouTube or any of the social media outlets that are asking us, like, Doc, how do I fix my posture? So here's a good thing for you, stuck at home exercises that you can do. So Morgan's going to go through some of those. And the first one that we want to show you is what we do for a trap stretch. So she's going to show you basically, as you can see, she's stretching her left side trap out. Your trap is the muscle that's back here. She's taking her head to the side just like that. She's holding it for about 5 seconds, and then she's going to release. So you can do this, and I want you to do it on both sides, making sure you're feeling that stretch through there, trying to go lateral, making sure you're not pushing your head forward and doing this too much, but really trying to go lateral. And as you're doing that stretch, you should also be looking toward the same side. So if you're going to the left there, you should be looking toward that same pocket there, okay? So left side, left pocket. So, and then the levator scap is a very, very similar stretch. It's just you're going to be looking at what I call the other pocket. So she's going to go to the left, stretching this left levator scap out like that, and then she's going to be looking away. So she's going to be looking at the other pocket. So if she's going to the right here, she's looking to the left side. So they're very, very similar stretches. It's more or less the position of what you're doing and where you're putting your head and which side there. So you could really pull to the side and twist and look at each side of the pockets if you wanted to, and that's going to help. So another stretch that what we'd like to do actually is just pushing the head back and giving yourself more of a double chin. What that does is this cervical retraction exercise will stretch out a lot of that tight musculature in the ligaments in the back there. As you can see, when she does it from the front, I'll do it from the side. It's not the most attractive exercise. So a lot of times I suggest you do this, especially if you have a headrest or something in the chair that you're using. Just kind of push that head there. And the trick to this is making sure that your chin is tucked and going straight back. Okay. If you do this type of thing, you're not exactly going to be stretching out what we're looking for through there. And then the other stretch that we're going to be doing is what we call Brugers Maneuver. Okay, so Brugers Maneuver is really going to help get your shoulders back in that posture. As you can see, she's using a band, which is great. If you have a band at home, we suggest that. And the trick to this, I'm just going to turn you to your side so you can see. As you see, she has good posture. She's got those shoulders coming back. She's holding his shoulder blades close to there. She's taking her arms out and pulling. Let me go back to the front. Cool. And she's, yep, just like that. And then she's pulling the band. And so the trick to that is getting your shoulder blades to come together, okay? That's going to loosen up the pecs. You're turning on the muscles back here. You're turning these off. And that's one of the bigger things we do. And in terms of the pecs, she's going to show you how to do that with the door. So 2 different types of pec stretches that we're going to do. The first one that she has here is just having like that, and then dropping the elbows a little bit so you get more of the pec. Cool. So when you have your arms at that angle there, what that's going to do is actually get more of your pec minor. So if she brings her arms up about 30 degrees more, so just up the rail like that, a little bit higher, right there, now you're going to get your pec minor, which is the muscle that pretty much attaches underneath here and over here and typically rolls the shoulder in. So if you'd like some personal recommendations or anything like that specifically for you, or if you're looking for a type of home exercise program, during this time we really want to help you, so reach out to us, send us an email. You can send us a message down below, or you can direct message us on social media, and we'd love to help you with your specific conditions and try to help you out to get through this type of scenario that we have going on. Be well, stay safe, and let us know how we can help.